Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Jim Boy. And welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to go to my playground. I have 5 young students now. Himala na kayo nga naka-studente ko. And maybe this is the first students that I'll be teaching. Well, dili ko siya teaching. And I'm not really conditioning coach or anything. I'm just giving my perspective or my own experience and experience of YouTube. Kaya sige ra kung tanan sa YouTube, naraman ko ang uban drill sa YouTube. I made some research for me to do it first and share it to others. So I'm a bit excited. So let's go. I'm near the playground. Dili ko sure kung mo tunga to silang 5. Ang gingon sa akong kauban. This was recommended by my co-worker and a teammate of mine at work. So hope they're there so that we could start our training. Sa tinuod lang, ako na mugusan ni sa iya kung kinsa iyang makita nga interesado o ganahan nga mag-train. Walay expense bayaran, free ra siya sa ilahang kuan lang, sa ilahang free time food lang maka-adto sila. So uraga naana sila diya sa kilid-kilid. Dili sila sure kung ako ba ang ilang ipangita, pero sila siguro na. So muling ko sa ko dire kay gikapoy ko. Okay. So unom ni sila kabuok, wa man kagasaba swing nga unom ni sila kabuok. Asan to sila dapit ta. Mo ni akong pangtuluan. Kamo ang giigna ni Cabresos?
Oh. Ako niya.
May ngapon. So pagilis na mo.
Ako niya. Uy. Ako niya.
Nga kani more on agility ta. Agility and more on defensive stance. And di kay mo mag expect sa ko og dribbling skills kay dili kay ko expert ana. Kanila ako mahatag sa inyo asa na akong experience sa gikan sa COC. So lugot lang gid mo. Maabot ra mo panahon nga musikat mo, asa mo musikat. Sa ngalan? Melvin. Ha? Ay na nga full name gabi si Jendrek. Jose.
Maricha.
Ha? Ay na pag shield. Gib. Francis og ha? Sheldon. Okay, Sheldon. So half court na baka ning akong gibutang gabut-buot ra ko sa iyang katason, pero sige mao na siguro na sa ngalan lang nga murag half court. Magsugod na mi sa mong dynamic stretching, after that strengthening. So sugod na ta.
I said you better watch what you're doing, 'cause I ain't gonna stop when I'm moving. I'm headed to the top, I'ma do it. I'm headed to the top, I'ma prove it. And baby girl, I like what you're doing. Your body's out of sight when you're moving. You look just like my type, so let's do it. You know I'll treat you right, let me prove it. And I could go all night, I'm sick of being nothing. All right, I'm gonna be something. I'll fight with every breath, trust me. I'ma be the one at the top, you can't touch me. I need to find somebody like me, who wants to be something. I bleed with every word coming. I would rather die than be someone who's nothing. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes, 'cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous, 'cause I'm the type of dude that you know is dangerous. I'ma take it now, no you're never gonna break me. I'ma stay loud in the face of the hate, see I'ma speak out, take the muzzle off my face. Breathe out of my mouth every word that will make me. Never had a doubt of the life that I'm making. Never had a doubt of the fight I'll be facing. Never had a doubt of the nights I'll be aching. Life is all about having dreams that you're chasing. With me now, I'll leave your ass in the street. Now, I'll put your ass underneath ground. I'll bury you 6 feet deep now, and you better stay down. Get the hell out of my way now. It doesn't matter what you say now. I'm gonna take hold of fate now. I'm the type of dude who will not remain nameless. I'm the type of dude who is headed for greatness. I'm the type of dude who could really make changes. Cause I'm the type of dude that's becoming contagious. I'm the type of dude that will always be ageless. I'm the type of dude that will always feel shameless. I'm the type of dude that they say is fucking heinous. Cause I'm the type of dude that you know is fucking dangerous. I'm working, I wanna be great, yeah. Working, I wanna be paid, yeah. Every decision I made, yeah. I ain't ever been afraid, nah. I'm always trying new things, yeah. That's how you grow and succeed, yeah. Man, you just gotta believe, yeah. So listen up while I proceed, yeah. Want a couple $100 grand, like, yeah. Got a couple 100 plans, like, yeah. Man, I do it for the fans, like, yeah. I don't do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, no. Do it for the gram, oh, nah. I don't do it for the camera, I just do it cause I love it. Do it cause I want it, I can never get enough, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me. I've been making tracks so I feel okay. I've been making tracks so I feel this way. Make 'em back to back or I'd go insane. Every single week it resets my brain. I will not retreat from doing my thing. Rap, track, rock, love it all the same. Don't judge me cause I play the game. Understand art always has to change. I do not wanna be put in a box. Without this music I know I'd be lost. I want my music to finally take off. If you hate on me you don't know me at all. Keep my head down, I don't have no regrets. Everybody gets so crazy upset. Sometimes it's better to think and reset. You never know when you'll take your last breath, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me. I wanna party like Gatsby. I want a girl call me daddy. I want a personal cabby driving me all around Cali. I want a place in the valley. I want a hook that is catchy. I want my life to be classy. Man, I just wanna be happy. I've been like rolling, they loving my stuff. I've been like going and plays in the club. I keep on growing, they see me come up. I keep on showing them why they in love. Nobody knowing just how we came up. If we keep going, we're blowing it up. We keep on rolling, it's never enough. We in the zone, yeah, they falling for us, yeah. Don't judge so quickly. Yeah, we've all been guilty, and this life's real tricky. Just keep your head down with me. I've been feeling hella bad and I'm sad, right? But I never look back. I keep dreaming even when I have a bad night. I'll figure out my own path. I know all the pain, yeah, and some of the glory. I don't understand life, or why it's so boring.
Alright guys, nahumanan ako ang among drills, among conditioning drills, among strength and agility training drills. I was shocked. I was shocked because lima rin gingon ni Bunsoy sa ko sa akong workmate, pero unom ang niabot. At first wala ko kabalawon sa buhaton, pero na-manage na ako. So di pa ko amateur good, kay di pa ko qualified as an amateur trainer, pero ang ako experience and research ang akong nakita sa YouTube or nabasa lang sa internet, isa ko nagamit dito. Alright guys, before I end this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Push that notification bell for more videos. So thank you kay Ayn Cabresos sa iyang pagsalig sa kuha. Thanks for your trust. Nga imong gihatag sa ako imong mga bata-bata, imong mga players nga makatuon og basics and strengthening and conditioning. Mga ka-experience plus like inato nga wa sila ka-experience sa ilang ginabuhi pa. Guys, this is where I'm gonna end my video. Hope you like it, and see you on the next video. Bye.